Hi everyone. Since today we'll learn how to check whether Git is installed on a Windows operating system or not. To do so, first of all, you need to open command prompt. To open a command prompt, you need to press Window key plus R key on your Windows operating system. In this input, you need to type CMD and press the Enter key. Now in this command prompt, you need to type Git space -v. Hit the Enter key, and that's the version that I have installed on my operating system. In your case, you might get an error if it is not installed. In a similar way, if you want to verify, you can also type git --version. Hit the enter key, and it will give you the same info. So depending upon your requirement, you can pick any one of them. And if the output is similar to mine and you're not getting any error, that means Git is installed on your Windows operating system. So I hope you understood how to do so. See you next video. Have a nice day.